Good day everyone, this is Patrick from EasyFX Code Trading System, and it's Saturday the 23rd of May 2020, and this is the weekly Ichimoku analysis for Euro and the cable for the 4th week of May. Let's start off with Euro, and as we highlighted last week, it's still trading within the range between the 108 and the 110 level. Managed to find support at the start of the week, climb up to 110 before pulling back, perhaps halfway, retrace halfway of the move. And there could be further consolidation and range trading for the next week as well. So far there hasn't been any major major trigger to move this out of this rectangle at the moment. Let's also take a look at the monthly time frame, and it's basically still a spinning top at the moment. Let's go down to the daily time frame, and you can see how it's been moving and trading in the range since the early part of since the beginning of April. So nothing new is going to be expected for next week, and especially it's just hit through the Kumo on the daily time frame, so it's finding resistance, so it could fall back down again. On the weekly time frame, it's still below the Kumo, and the Chico span is still below price, so it's still bearish. Alright, and there's also no major news for next week, so nothing new is expected then. Let's take a look at the cable, pound sterling. And after last week's fall below the intermediate support, it managed to rebound to retest that resistance now, spike through it, and then pull back to close near the 38.2 fib retracement level. So it's still bearish for this next coming week, and we'll see whether it's able to reach the 50% fib and then the 120 key support level. Let's take a look at the monthly time frame, and yes, it's a very bearish month so far. Let's move down to the daily time frame. And after falling below the Kumo, which is also fairly thin, it's just been blocked by the Tenkan-sen and still not able to push through that, and even with the thin Kumo above. So it's still looking bearish in the short term on the daily time frame as well. So it wouldn't be surprising if it attempts to target the 50% fib level. Let's move back to the weekly time frame. So nothing new is expected for next week, with no major news as well for the UK. Alright, so meanwhile, do check out my other videos on all the major pairs, and as well as spot gold and dollar yen. And have a good trading week, and cheers for now.